coffee. So to prepare those pearls, I got these ones, and to make these, whatever quantity of boba pearls you're taking, just take 10 times the water to that one. So first of all, we need to boil the water. So now, since the water has come to boil, we will add these bobas. We need to boil them for 5 minutes, but first we need to stir them so they just don't sit on the bottom. So now, as you see, the tapioca pearls are ready. When they are ready, they start floating like this, and they are all lightweight already. So now we will turn off the heat, and now we are going to pour these pearls into cold water. To brew the coffee, first of all, we will add sugar and coffee. This we will add hot water. Give it a mix. You can see the froth on the top coming. First of all, we will add boba pearls. Now we'll add this coffee that we have brewed. Milk.